Hi guys, as you just saw, today I've brought a brand new news intro. If you want to know how to create the same effect, then you definitely don't want to miss today's video. Launch VideoProc Vlogger and create a new project. Find a text icon in the toolbar and click on it. In the inspector, edit the text. Choose your desired font style. And then adjust the text size and position. Scroll down to the text shadow area and disable the shadow. Click the camera icon above the preview window to capture a screenshot of the corner text. This will give you a text image. Return to the main interface. Find this button to change the default background color to your desired color. And apply the change. Click the button to add a few subtitle tracks. Copy the text using the shortcut Ctrl+C. Then paste it using Ctrl+V. In the inspector, add a new text content. Change the font and parameters, and arrange your text in the preview window. Click the camera icon again to capture a screenshot of the new text. Repeat this process to complete the text image creation. This completes the first step. Import all the prepared material and text image. Click the button to reset the background color to the default black. Click this button to add more overlay tracks. Drag the text image to the video track and adjust its duration. Find the motion icon in the toolbar and click on it to add an motion effect. Click Add keyframe on the first frame. Adjust the box to frame the entire screen. Move the playhead and click Add keyframe again. Add a speed curve. Move the playhead to the last frame. Click Add keyframe and move the box left until it is out of the frame. Click Apply to return to the main interface. Drag the image 4 more times to the timeline. And use the crop icon in the toolbar to crop different letters from the image. Use the Transform tool to arrange your cropped letter in the preview window. Adjust the duration of each clip. And add a fading effect to each one in the inspector. Open the Transitions panel and drag the fade transition between clips for smooth transitions. Drag the text image to the video track. Use Split to divide it into several clips and adjust their scale. Drag the text image to the overlay track. Click the motion icon to add its motion. Click Add keyframe on the first frame. Adjust the box to frame the entire screen. Move the playhead. Add another keyframe without adjustment. And add a third keyframe, adjusting the box size and position to add a speed curve. Add another keyframe without any adjustment. And a final keyframe, adjusting the box to move right until it is out of the frame. Let's preview it. Click Apply. Drag the image to your timeline. There, we complete the basic editing and add a fading effect. Then, we enter the motion editor panel and quickly added a swipe out effect. And then, return to the main interface. Drag the video clips to different tracks. Adjust the duration and arrange them aesthetically in the inspector. Use the motion editor panel to quickly add a swiping effect for the clips. And for the last clip, add a zooming effect by adding keyframes and adjusting the box size to create a smooth zooming motion. Finally, add a suitable intro music. And there, we complete the effect. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you want to know more about other and tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we'll see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!